All the leaders of different NGOs from Garo Hills have decided today and confirmed to continue their demands by organizing night road blockade. Speaking to media, the GSU president Tengsak G. Mobin said the night road blockade will start from 8 February 2022, that is, from Tuesday onwards from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. in the morning. He also said organizing the night road blockade is one way to express their agitation against the government without disturbing the students, since most of the students are appearing their examinations these days. Reiterating the fact that for the last 2 years, students cannot do their exams well due to the pandemic and the frequent lockdowns. So the leaders of NGOs relaxing their non-cooperation movement for the students of Garo Hills, but the NGOs of the Garo Hills region will continue to protest until the government remove Rakesh Sangma from the CEM post of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council.
We would like to inform the people of Meghalaya that because of the illegal appointment of Mr. Rakesh A. Sangma, who was earlier known as Mr. Rakesh Newar, the illegal appointment of him as the CEM of GHDC, we, United NGOs, FKGGP, GSU, ADE, AYWO, and Northeast Students Organization have decided that we will relentlessly work to remove him from the post of the CEM of GHDC. And in that regard, we have already started our civil disobedience movement, of which the first phase and second phase has elapsed, and we have successfully conducted the first phase and second phase of the agitation. The first phase and second phase was the 1st and 2nd of February. There was a pen-down strike of district council, pen-down strike by the employees, and on the 3rd and the 4th of February, we called for a non-cooperation movement in all of Garo Hills, and it was a huge success. We would like to reiterate our demands that until and unless the present dispensation, the MDCs and the political parties, until and unless they decide and they remove Mr. Rakesh Newar Sangma from the post of CEM, then we will continue our agitations, continue our programs of our civil disobedience movement, and we are stepping into the third phase, that is from the 8th to 11th of this month of February. We are calling for a night road blockade in all of Garo Hills from 9 p.m. to morning 5 a.m.